Okay, this is unit 2160 in Bella Vista. Now, when we walk in here, we have big tiles. It almost looks like wood grain there in the entryway. And just to the left is a storage closet. To the right, we have the air conditioner. All right, so there's the kitchen, the family room. We've got the laundry room here. Good size. That's where we came in. This is the guest bedroom. Big size closet. And then it has its own full bathroom. Okay. If we come over here, there's the kitchen. Dishwasher here. Step right there. To the master. And then they have a table here. The pantry. This is a sitting area now, but it can be a dining area. Got an electric fireplace. And a really nice view from the patio and the master bedroom. So this is the patio. There's an extra storage shed right there. So this is the master bedroom right here. So these windows look on where we are. Isn't this cute? It's a great condo. It's 1,400 square feet. It's already furnished, and the furniture can be available by a separate bill of sale. Same with a car. There's a 2012 Kia Sorento with about 60,000 miles on it that is ready to be sold with the unit and the furnishings. So yeah, so if you're in kind of where the bed goes, this is what you'd see. I've got a little workout equipment here. It's big enough for some more things. So we've got the kitchen to the right there, bathroom to the left. Here's the closet. Double sinks. In very good condition.